Okay, so we're here to see if this roof is repairable. We've got nationwide claim here. They've approved all but 2.5 squares on this north-facing slope facing me. The valley is woven, so they've included some extra square feet to cover where the ice and water is going to need to go so we can relay this valley. But the repairability of the shingles that we're going to have to manipulate to do that is the question here. So what we're going to do is we're going to perform a repair on this section, see if it passes or fails, and then if it does not pass repairability due to excessive granule loss, creasing of the shingles, material transfer, any of those types of items, then we would recommend the roof be fully replaced due to non-repairability. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started here. So I've got to manipulate 4 shingles, usually somewhere in the neighborhood of 6 or 7 tabs to actually pull a shingle out. So I'm going to start doing that now. So you notice I keep the bar flat. I'm not trying to lift it. I'm not trying to go inside and attack the integrity of the shingle. It's hot.
Oh yeah.
Just touching that for one second, I was like, oh yeah. All right. Now return to our regularly scheduled program. So there is some material transfer. I wouldn't call it excessive, but it is there. Almost ripped into that other one below it. Wait, yeah. What did I already unseal? Okay, so we'll take this shingle here. Okay, so there is a little material transfer, not an excessive amount, but that's what I was worried about with trying to make this repair. Having these nails pull right through the shingle like this one did. Back to that.
Pulled right
Same
through
thing.
as well.
Pulled right through. Man. So that's 2. And the problem with that is then you have those huge holes on the shingles that you're actually not replacing. Got some material transfer really bad on this one. I could feel it. It's coming through, unsealed, tore the shingle, all that material transfer. Maybe. There we go. All right, so 2 out of 4 is not very good, but we will continue. Three for 5. that's already
Pulled
pulled
right
through.
through.
Yep. Just
The
from
wheels,
looking at the one below it.
the wheels still have to get that though.
Yeah. There's another one.
Yep. That just had a blowout there as well.
Yeah, several so far. That's not going very well. So we'll pull our shingle out here and we can see where these nails have blown out of these shingles. Have these huge holes here and here, here. You have holes like that now on these shingles because that's also happening on all of these as well. The other thing, just to note, that material transfer on the edge again. And then not as much material transfer on the back, but again, we have definitely negatively affected the shingles around the one we're repairing already with those nails popping through. Try and grab a couple of these out. So it kind of feels like it's a little, it doesn't want to. There you go. Okay, so it basically fits. It's the same exposure. The color, I mean, you can look at it and clearly tell that it's not a match. It's not going to bring this homeowner back to a reasonable line of sight. But more importantly, we were talking about the repairability of the roof. So we're going to put the nails back in the shingles now, and then we're going to check the shingle condition from there. Grab some straight lines. Try to use some of these existing nail holes where I can. You can like hear the granules coming off the roof. That's all me. Maybe one more. All right. Get this in. All right. So again, when we're looking at repairability, we're looking for granule deterioration. We're looking for creasing of the shingles, any of those kinds of things, material transfer. So we did have that significant material transfer over here on this side. You can see it on the bottom of this shingle that's present. This shingle is now not going to seal back down properly. The same can be said for several others. These big nail holes that you have here now, from those nails coming through the shingles, that's going to be a problem at this point as well. If I rub the shingles up here at the top, I get almost no granule loss. The shingles and the tabs I had to manipulate You can hear the difference already, and hopefully see it on the video. So these are going to be the shingles that probably get wind damage next or fly off the roof. They're also going to be most likely to cause a leak, especially when they're very close to the valley. So Nationwide is expecting us to run this all the way down this valley as well as that valley. And I feel like we're going to be leaving this homeowner in a compromised position where the roof is going to potentially leak due to the repairability of these other slopes here. So for that reason, we believe the roof should be replaced. Thank you.